Windows are an essential part of your home's structure, providing natural light, ventilation, and insulation. Over time, however, even the best windows can lose their functionality and appeal. If you're a homeowner in Meridian, you might be wondering whether it's time for an upgrade. Here are the top signs that your Meridian windows need replacing. Rising energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs you need new windows is an increase in your energy costs. Older windows often lack the energy efficiency of modern designs, allowing heat to escape in winter and infiltrate your home during summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows, such as double or triple pane models with low E coatings, can help reduce energy loss and lower your monthly utility costs. Drafts and temperature imbalances. Do you feel a breeze even when your windows are closed? Drafty windows are a clear indication of deteriorating seals, gaps, or poor insulation. These issues can create uncomfortable temperature imbalances, making some rooms colder or warmer than others. New windows with advanced sealing technology and insulated frames can eliminate drafts, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Struggling to open or close your windows is not just an inconvenience, it can also be a safety concern. Stuck windows are often caused by warped frames, broken hardware, or aging mechanisms. Over time, these issues can worsen, preventing proper ventilation or creating emergency escape hazards. Modern replacement windows are designed for smooth and effortless operation, providing both convenience and peace of mind. Visible damage or wear. Take a close look at your windows. Do you notice peeling paint, cracked glass, or rotting wood frames? These signs of wear and tear can compromise the appearance and functionality of your windows. Additionally, damaged windows may allow water to seep into your home, leading to mold, mildew, or structural damage. Upgrading to durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum can enhance your home's aesthetics and ensure long-lasting performance. Condensation between window panes. If you see fog or moisture trapped between the panes of your double or triple pane windows, it's a sign that the seal has failed. A broken seal allows air and moisture to enter, reducing the insulating properties of the window and making it less effective at regulating your home's temperature. New windows with advanced sealant technology can restore clarity and energy efficiency to your home. Excessive noise pollution. Are you frequently disturbed by outside noises, such as traffic, barking dogs, or neighborhood activity? Older windows may lack the soundproofing capabilities of modern designs. Single-pane windows or those with poor seals can allow unwanted noise to enter your home, disrupting your peace and quiet. High-quality replacement windows with multiple panes and insulated frames can significantly reduce noise pollution, creating a more serene indoor environment. Outdated appearance. Your windows play a major role in your home's curb appeal. If they look outdated, faded, or mismatched, they can detract from your home's overall appearance. Modern replacement windows come in a variety of styles, colors and finishes, allowing you to enhance your home's look while improving its functionality. Whether you prefer a traditional aesthetic or a sleek, contemporary design, upgrading your windows can transform your home's exterior. Frequent maintenance requirements. Older windows often require constant upkeep, such as scraping, painting, or repairing weather stripping. If maintaining your windows has become a time-consuming chore, it might be time to consider an upgrade. Newer materials like vinyl or fiberglass are low maintenance and resistant to warping, cracking, and peeling. Security concerns. Windows that don't close properly or have broken locks pose a security risk. Intruders can easily exploit these vulnerabilities to gain access to your home. Modern replacement windows are built with advanced locking systems and reinforced frames, providing better protection for your family and belongings. Why upgrade your Meridian Windows? Upgrading your windows is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in your property's comfort, efficiency, and value. Meridian homeowners face a range of environmental challenges, including fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels, which can accelerate window wear. New windows can help protect your home from these elements while enhancing its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Take the first step. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's time to consider upgrading your Meridian windows. Modern replacement windows offer numerous benefits, from energy savings and noise reduction to improved security and curb appeal. Reach out to a trusted local window professional to explore your options and find the perfect solution for your home. Don't wait until small issues become costly problems. Upgrade your windows today and enjoy a more comfortable and efficient home for years to come.